Today we are doing another 24 kilowatt air-cooled unit for the whole house. Before we start the project, we always go over the installations in the house to make sure if any defects, anything that we had already. And today we noticed that the spool rack that is holding the wire from the hydro is just on one screw. Two other screws are out, and this is not safe because with the heavy wind, this thing is going to come off and the whole service line is going to fall down. It's going to cause them a couple of thousands of dollars to get fixed, and of course it's trouble to get someone here during those outages too. Those winds, everybody's going to have the same problem, so it's difficult to find an electrician to come fix it. So today, as you can see, the screws are out, just one screw in there. We are going to fix it. We are going to put this kind of bolt, which is perfect for this situation. Previously they used a 3-inch screw, which is not appropriate for this installation. We are going to remove them and put the good one. And of course we don't charge the customer. This is something that we do extra. If it doesn't cost us that much, it's just about probably 20 minutes to bring the ladder and do the installation, but it's going to save them time and money in future. All good. So let's go to start the generator. I'm going to take care of this. Generator is 24 kilowatt. It's feeding the whole house. Heating system is propane. It's pretty good for this size of the house. We have to measure, let's say, 3 feet from the air conditioning, 18-inch from the back, and 10 feet from the intake that we had here to be safe and secure. No exhaust is going to the house, and the propane is about 30 feet further from the generator. A gas technician is going to show up in a couple of days to do the connection. Today we're going to do the test to show the customer how it works. The gas installation is going to be in a couple of days. It's a pretty straightforward installation. We will go through it together today. Weather was perfect. It wasn't hot, it wasn't cold, not raining. It was perfect to do the installation. We always do the installation in winter time too, but it's much better to be prepared for the winter. We did the installation. The program, the startup has been done. We always put the exercise time every other week, Monday 10 o'clock, so that it works every 2 weeks for 5 minutes to do the self-test. So we are ready to do the tests to check the voltage and frequency, and then we are going to give the power to the house. So before giving the power to the house, we will check if the voltage is good, the power that is coming from the generator. Then we will feed the house to protect the appliances. We will do it in a couple of minutes.